Hey guys, what's going on? We're back on the channel again. We just took a little break because we've been, dealing with the baby and hustling and doing all kinds of stuff. We got Indulgent.
What's up, guys?
We got Roy.
Yo.
This guy's not even looking. This guy's on camera. This guy's doing. And we got the new ZR1 right behind us. We're gonna be checking that guy at more Strata. We're trying to see. We just did a gas stop and I wasn't fast enough. I was taking some cash out in case I wanted to buy some Strata. I missed the opportunity to start the vlog like that. But nevertheless, we're gonna be checking out the new ZR1 very shortly, guys. We're gonna do a video just on that car with the owner Jordan and Roy and the whole gang. But until then, guys, we'll see you guys soon. So we're at the premium, you guys can see here. We're all loaded up with all kinds of different variations of exotic cars. Some not quite, but hey, they'll get there someday. So you guys can see the lineup, the whole NFR crew. We are waiting to roll out 11 different variations of cars around here. You guys can see. As we get closer to the front, we got the newer and the better cars. Got his Aventador looking very nice. Got the whole gang out here. Gang. Everybody's just chilling. Got the 488 right here. Very, very nice. I think I need to get a new car sooner or later, guys. Got the M5, the new generation GTR, and here we are. The new Corvette ZR1. Now this car is the first white car in North America. You're going to see the orange color. This one is really, really wicked. With the dark blue calibers. Some of you guys can see it, but I'm going to go up close to it. Looks super, super cool. A very nice car. The owner always is changing his Corvette to the latest and better ones. So this one is staying until they release more information about the next generation. The C8, which was the mid-engine Corvette. Wicked license plate, Sipley, sorry. You can see, you can smell, like just being around this car, you can legit smell the brand newness of this car because the engine's kind of hot, but this car is so cool. This car would definitely destroy the M5. And I think it's time we're rolling out now, so we'll be in Strata in like 2 seconds for you guys. Guys, there's a Tron Mustang. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a Tron Mustang. Holy fuck. Is that a Supra? Hopefully we get to see it in the Supra on our channel again. We got a Mason car, Nima. He's working on his 95 Supra, which should be coming out the body shop within a week or two, and we'll see more down the channel. Can't wait for that, guys. Oh my god, is that a Supra, Roy? Is that a Supra, Roy?
No.
What is it then?
Corolla.
Oh shit, true. Do some car spotting and check out what's going on. We gotta get some food. We're gonna check out what's going on with one of these 4 food trucks. Some nice BMWs there. The first one is a nice 323, and we also got a nice convertible M3 in the back. We got burgers, ice cream, espressos, and funnel cake. Doesn't sound like too interesting. Oh, holy shit. Doesn't sound too interesting, but we'll see what's happening, guys. After that, we are going to go look for some cars. The food wasn't popping. We're seeing there's any other vendors. It wasn't popping, guys. We're going to see what else thing here is. Anyways, guys, as always, Strata brings all the variation of sick cars, from JDMs to luxury to the old-ass European cars to fucking lift trucks. You guys can see the variation of cars always. You're gonna see some Corvettes.
It's me.
What? Oh fuck! Is that Roy? Oh, but yo, look at this, Frozen. Look at that. Very nice. Frozen silver. That's an Instagram photo right there. Maybe at the front too. We'll check after. But Roy, what the fuck? Roy, that's your type of car, eh?
That's him.
Check out our friend Happy Hippie's car. You know, we got the Phantom drop head. He usually brings out his McLaren or Bugatti, but he brought his big boy out today. Nothing but peace and love. Very, very sick car. And then we got the V8 Panda right over here, or V10 Panda. Oh, we got this Corvette, track ready vet. guys, we got our tradition. We got our Fast and the Furious tribute cars. You guys can see here. We got the OG Mitsubishi Eclipse. As you can see from the first Fast and Furious. This is obviously the replica one. Oh, that sounds nice. Looks pretty cool. And then we got our R33 GTST or GTS. This one looking very nice as well. I'm a fan of the whole cars, man. Like, really nice looking machines. I'm dying to get one of these bad boys, but there's so many different cars I want to get right now, and this is obviously one of them. But the next one is going to be the sick one. Oh,
sound system in the headrest. Oh yeah.
Yo, I'm gonna go over by the M5s. Oh, or a few of the M cars over here. Nice spot. 2 M5s. We're gonna start with this one. I guys know we love our M5. We're never gonna get rid of it. We fucking love it so much. Oh, hold on a second. Fucking cool. So back to regular programming. That was fucking cool, guys. Huh? That is fucking amazing. We got Mr. Nima here, Mason Underscore Cars.
We got go right there.
We got an M5. We love our M5. Way more aggressive rear spoiler, aftermarket exhaust with the white interior. Oh, guys. I thought there was. I got another M5 right here. Oh my god, guys. I was gonna get a color similar to this, but I ended up with the frozen. And you know, this one is just as cool. One thing is, I'm actually starting to miss the way my rear diffuser looks when it was painted. What? Oh my god, it's a flying sperm. Well, it could be my Bentley, or it's my Bentley gone. Yo, no. How about this? How about this? Oh my god, you guys are. How about the pre-lube, bro? No love for the pre-lube? We got this chrome red M3, if I'm not mistaken. Looks very nice. Nemo, watch out for a second. We got the Bentley, Raptors Bentley. The one up there? Yeah. Well, yeah, there's one that was walking in. Are you taking? We got that son over here. That's my son. You guys can see everybody else is back over here. We got some gunshots in the background. Not really, you know, it's just a Supra probably fucking going exam. Oof, we got the homies whip right here. Art in Motion's new McLaren right here, looking so nice. The red color is so cool with it. We got our stalker over there too.
14 hours.
Damn. Got these angry looking Challengers and Chargers with the red aggressive lights. Back again, and as you know, that's a favorite term we like to use on the channel. We're back again. We're gonna look at these. Oh my god, there's fucking like 5 Supras. Holy fuck, guys. Where's that motherfucker is? We got the whole gang of Supras lined up here, guys. And we got the lonely R34.
I'm gonna fuck around a little bit.
Wow. I am so dying for Nima to get his Supra done.
Hey, this is a real one.
What?
This is a real G7.
Oh yeah. This is the real deal. The other one over there was not the real deal. This was imported by Right Drive. You can see, guys. It's a little dark, but the Supras. Oh my god. There's 6 Supras and 1 R34 GTR, and I'll still pick the GTR any day of the week, even though Supras have way more power combined than the R34 GTR. Nima, hopefully one day you can be with these guys and park with your Supra, buddy. One day. Maybe next year. We got Gary's 720S.
What we've been waiting for. This is why we are here. Let's welcome the ladies.
And then we got our lonely M5 over there. That is it for today.
Number 4.
You know, using Stratos always like crazy thing.
Herrera,
There's a stage over there for a race car going down. The next thing we're doing, we're gonna do a photo shoot with the M5 just
Improved
out.
Canada.
Oh yeah, that looks fucking wicked on the car.
Showing you what's
That
happening
looks really, really cool on the car. But anyways, guys, as always, thank you guys for joining us. Appreciate anything you guys do. If you guys would share this video, you know, share if you can. Any questions, anything that we should do to the M5 next, because we want to do new things with it. We have an idea. We just did a spark plug with it. The car sounds amazing. The next video, you guys will hear the car definitely. Anyways, guys, have a nice day. Peace.